Welcome to the Ngobo Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please just click the subscribe button and help us reach 10,000 subscribers. Hey, tada. We are here at Loftus Versfeld, Mamelodi Sundowns 5, Sibanye United. I win, man. Sibanye 2. My brother, are you good?
Very good. How can I not be good when I'm winning?
Yeah. Your thoughts about the game?
But first half, we played well. Second half, it was not the best Sundowns that we all know. We could have done differently, even though we came back, chased the game back to finish the game 5-2. We could have done better. I mean, we cannot afford to concede about these minors.
Exactly.
Yeah. What I liked about the coach
is that a pun when you say minus?
Oh,
not minus.
no. Yeah, they are minors.
Yeah.
Oh, my chairperson. Thank you, I'm live. Okay, look, they are minors and they are minors.
Exactly.
Yeah, understand. You get my point. Yes.
And you considered against them?
We considered against them on our own mistakes.
Exactly.
Yeah, we understand the game is a game of mistakes. We could have done better.
Yeah.
We don't want to give our next opponent our weakest link.
Exactly.
Yeah, by telling them our mistakes. But then I think coach will fix it going to the next game.
Yeah.
But then their performance as they came back, the second half, believe you me, if they were playing another Soweto team, no, they would have won that game by a bigger margin.
Yeah.
You know that 2 goals that they scored.
No.
No, that Jesse number 10 boy. No, you know what? Lebusa was already sitting on a yellow card. He didn't want to commit because by committing it will mean he will be sent off. Understand? So what I'm saying over now, they've got good players. Given the fact that they are not full-time footballers, they are minors. So so Lebanon never Rosa Sundowns. You can't beat Sundowns, my brother. Not the Gamo Loftus.
Exactly. No, thank you so much. And who was your man of the match tonight?
I would have given it to Matthews. I don't know how they decided, but then for me it could have been Matthews because we won the game, got the first 45 minutes.
Exactly.
Yeah.
No, thank you so much, my brother.
No, you are welcome.
Congratulations, my brother.